Septic tank alarm going off all the time? That usually means something's up with your system, and you gotta check it out before it turns into a bigger headache. So, first thing, make sure the alarm actually isn't just a false alert. Sometimes the sensors get dirty or clogged, and they freak out for no reason. Try cleaning the sensors gently, like remove any gunk or buildup around them so they can work right. Next, inspect the wiring to see if any wires are loose or damaged, because that can mess with the signal and trigger the alarm. If you spot any broken wires, fixing or replacing them can stop the constant beeping. Also, check the float switch inside the tank. If it's stuck or jammed, it might keep sending the high water alert even when everything's fine. Don't forget to look at your drain field too. If it's saturated or not draining well, that could cause the tank to fill up faster and set off the alarm. You want to make sure your septic pump is working correctly. If it's failing, the water won't get pumped out like it should, causing the alarm to sound. Finally, give your septic tank a regular pumping schedule so it doesn't overflow and cause alarms or backups. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tank alarms is ignoring them because they think it's no big deal, but that often leads to costly repairs or system failure. Another common issue is not checking for sensor problems, so they end up calling a pro when a simple clean or wire fix would do. Lastly, many forget about regular septic tank maintenance, like pumping and inspecting the drain field, which is crucial to keep alarms from going off and prevent long-term damage. Fixing these can save you thousands and keep your system running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful if you want to find reliable local contractors who know septic systems inside out. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their services, making the whole process way easier for everyone.